Happy Monday. We are back at these apartments and we're taking out all these overgrown hollies. Already got 3 down on that side. There's 2 on each building. All the way up. We're taking them all out. Easy day. Let's try and beat that hurricane. What is up? Good morning. We're knocking out some hollies. Started all the way at the bottom down there. We've already gotten 3 or 4 of them cleaned up, and I'm just putting them on the ground. Corey, Clay, and Luke are cleaning it up, getting it chipped. Got another one down here. 2 more here. I'm gonna let them clean this up, and then I'm gonna drop this one. And we've got that one. That one was a tough one to get down, and then we've got a couple more. Got 2 more buildings to go through, and then I get to start helping him clean up. It's one of the pines we did. Yeah, lots of fun. What's up, guys? We are in the cockpit of our Avant, and I'm just gonna take you on a little tour of what we've done. There's holly bush number 1, and if we have a good video editor, you know, we might be able to put some music over this so you guys don't have to listen to the engine.
There's a storm moving in across that state line again. Just about time, gonna fill my pillowcase up again. If you don't know nothing about me, know that I'm a tree cutting man. I wasn't always a singer. Grew up in a small town back when there was no one to care about my name. And deep down in my blood, know that I'm a tree cutting man. There's a long line of us swinging that song to get that pay. Hurts to this day. It may not suit you, I've done the best I can. Deep down in my blood, know that I'm a tree cutting man. I just about lost my life on a rainy September night. Saw came back and cut me bad as hell. So my buddy made the drive, doing over 95. Blue light pulled us over, took him straight to jail. It was the end of the line for this tree cutting man. There's a long line of us swinging that song to get that pay.